generation? We got next. Who the next generation? We got next. Who the next generation?
Dogtown. This is talking about the next generation. We're CBN News and it's NBA draft coverage, and I'm your host, JYD Jerome Williams. And let's talk about CBN's top 6 point guards. We're going 6, normally 5, but we got something special planned for you at the end. Coming in at number 1, D'Angelo Russell, 6'5" point guard out of Ohio State. Now his strengths are he's viewed as a top point guard with a high basketball IQ. Confident player with impeccable shooting ability. Votes well for triangle offenses, but weakness is not athletic. Needs to work on his explosion, his quickness, and his jumping ability. Now, fun fact is, when he was asked last season why he wore number 0, he said, because 0 people can guard me. That's probably what it was. Very interesting there, D'Angelo, Mr. Russell. We're going to see who can guard you in the NBA. Let's go to number 2. My man, Emmanuel Mudiay out of Prime Prep, 6'5" guard, played in China this year for a year instead of going to college. His strengths are great jumping ability. He's aggressive when attacking the rim, and he has a 6'9" wingspan. It's going to be very helpful when it comes up against those 7-foot centers. His weaknesses, however, his shooting needs improvement, especially his mid-range. He sometimes drifts on his shot and doesn't always follow through. But the fact of the matter remains, he scored 82 points against a CBA team out there in China. I don't know, they might have had noodles for dinner, but that's all right. 82 points is 82 points. Let's get into number 3. Cameron Payne, 6'2" guard from Murray State. Now his strengths are he has great quick hands, good ball handling skills, he's consistent on the mid-range and the long-range jumper, and he's able to find holes in the defense. Now his weaknesses are he lacks explosiveness. He loses skill when the ball slows down to a half-court offense, so he's got to improve on that. But overall, he's a smooth player. Look for him to go pretty high. Jerian Grant comes in at number 4. 6'5" point guard from Notre Dame. Now his strengths are scores off the dribble with his jumper, and he goes and attacks the rim. He's got good ball handling skills, and he's able to get the passing lanes on defense. All those things are going to help him to move to different levels in the NBA. His weaknesses, however, is that he takes lapses on defense and sometimes settles for bad shots. Now, the one thing I like about this player is it runs in his DNA, because a lot of his family members are in the NBA, and his father, Harvey Grant, of course, played for my Washington Bullets, and his uncle played for Chicago Bulls, Horace Grant. His younger brother is with the Philadelphia 76ers, Jeremy Grant. So he's got it already down pat. Coming in at number 5, Delon Wright, 6'5" point guard from Utah, really smooth player. His strength is his great passing ability. He fills passing lanes, attacks the rim, and even can swat a few shots on defense. His weakness, however, he needs to improve his 3-point shooting. If he does that, he's going to be able to pump fake guys and really get into the lane. Quick fun fact for you, a team picking him up will be able to better themselves right away because he's an impact player. He makes people better. Now, of course, I told you in the beginning, we're going to go to number 6. Number 6 comes in at Tyus Jones, 6'1" point guard from Duke. Now, you saw him in the NCAA Final Four and, of course, the championship game. His strengths are he's good at slowing down. He's using half-court offense. He doesn't take bad shots. He takes big shots. He's good at passing and splitting screens. His weaknesses are not on a sharpshooter level, but he has physical disadvantage for the NBA level. So that's what makes him, kind of wary in terms of the draft. But the facts remain, he could go even higher than Payne because he does have that elite level basketball IQ. That's it for the top 5 point guards. CBN News, we're going to be having the shooting guards up next.